And I'm sure that he must be blaming United States and various other countries for their carbon emission and various other things. But what he is really doing is that not only in China, but in other occupied countries like Tibet, East Turkestan, Inner Mongolia, these are the countries where he is rampantly mining and industrializing. This industrialization and mining is causing desertification in China and in these occupied countries. Particularly the lives of farmers and nomads are thrown out of gear. Now the nomads and the farmers in China and these occupied countries, they have no lives. And people do not have voice to speak up for their freedom, for their own lives. We are here to represent them. Our people in Tibet are dying and their lives are under control by the Chinese military and the police and the law. Hu Jintao, whatever he may be speaking up there, is only to maintain his own political power and to make money. We represent the true aspiration of the Tibetan people. So we will shout, we completely and absolutely protest. He's speaking up there, speaking for China, and he is actually what he's doing up there is only trading. His main interest is to maintain his political power and to make money and to trade with various other countries. If the international community is truly concerned about global warming and climate change, they must respect the true aspiration of the Tibetan people, the people in Inner Mongolia and East Turkestan. Not only in these countries, China's capitalist interest is now getting extended into Burma. The Burmese people are suffering under the juntas, and these juntas are supported by the Chinese military government. There is no reason why Aung San Suu Kyi should suffer imprisonment today. It is mainly because of China. And in extension, our brothers and sisters from Iran, they were protesting. They must know that it is Chinese government that is supporting Ahmadinejad's government. If you want freedom in your country, you should throw China out of your country. Chinese government is investing in your government. Chinese government is supporting and enhancing Ahmadinejad's military power. If you want freedom and democracy in your country, stand with us. It is China who is encouraging, who is empowering these military dictatorships in Iran, in Sudan, in Burma, and various other countries. China's military occupation is capitalist ambitions now extending into Africa, in India, in Bangladesh, Burma, Nepal, count any countries. China's capitalist ambition is extending. China is truly on the way to build an empire. But they must know this is only the aspiration, only the desire, greed of some of their leaders. But truly in China, the people in China are suffering. The farmers and workers, millions and millions of them are suffering. And their aspiration for freedom and democracy cannot be snuffed out because they have money and they have military power. We will fight against them. We are united. The people from Burma, the Falun Dafa, the Chinese people who fight for democracy and freedom within China, the Tibetan people, all of us are united. We are in solidarity. We will fight and we will make sure that Hu Jintao goes. So our message to Hu Jintao today, who is speaking up there in the United Nations, is go. Now is time, or else we will throw you out. We are going to shout now.